Okay, here's my cat, Whiskers. She is having some fun in her little box here. Whiskers! Hi, Whiskers. It's kind of dark, you can't really see her, but she's definitely in there. She is just having fun. Hi, Whiskers. Let's see here. It's her back. Her back. Oh, here she is. Oh, you can see her big bright eyes.
Hey, Lauren.
Hi, Whiskers. Yes, Mom, I'm filming a video of Whiskers. Because look at her. She got this cat in a box. Hi, Whiskers. Let me in by my henny chin chin, little feline cat. Oh, she's trying to get out of here. Can you get out? No, you can't, can you? No. Some people call this torture. I call it comedy. Oh man, she's got long arms, huh? Let's focus in on her here. Whiskers! Let's see here. Anybody home?
Hey, honey, are you coming down?
No.
Okay.
Got a little conversation going on here. Hey, Dad, I'm taking a video of Whiskers in a box. She's having fun.
Do you need me?
No, I just want to bring my pants.
Oh my gosh. Hi, Whiskers. Oh, okay. Oh, so fluffy. Oh man. Don't think she can really get out here, but oh, she's scratching at the walls. Whiskers, come here. Come out wherever you are. You can't get out, can you? You can't get out. Whiskers, you're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Let's see here. Oh man. Hi. Ow. Ow. Okay, now I'm bleeding on another finger. This time. She did the same thing as last time where her claw gets up under my finger and it starts bleeding. Let's see if I can just set the camera down real quick. Sure. Could you please stop talking, Mom? I'm trying to kind of concentrate on the cat. She clawed me again. Same way. But not as bad as last time. Whiskers. You can't get out, can you? Come on, little girl. I can see your eyes. Wow. I only be taking the video for 4 minutes, but she's been in here for like 20 minutes. Whiskers. Oh, come on, Whiskers. You can do it. You can get out. Not by yourself, but you can still try. Oh, that's her back. Oh, she's scratching herself. Oh my gosh! Lucy, look! This is so... Oh my gosh! Whiskers! What are you doing? It's so stupid. You're never gonna get out. Oh, she thinks she can close the door on us. Oh! Well, now she knows how to do that. Let's see if she can kind of get out here. No matter how many times she sticks her head out the door and then back in, she's never gonna get out. Poor little cat. Oh, Whiskers, come here, kitty, 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 kitty. Yeah, kitty, 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 kitty. Oh, oh, hello. Oh, man. What is that? Oh, that's a little fluffy. Oh, man. Okay, that's her back. That looks so weird. Oh, oh, wow. Hi, Whiskers. Oh, Whiskers, you're gonna get your head stuck. Oh, jeez. Okay. Let's see here. Bye-bye, Whiskers. Bye-bye, kitty. Oh, okay, so now she wants to get back in as soon as she gets out. Smart cat. Well, I think she's going to take... Oh, man. Okay. Bye, Whiskers.